Hi, Christian from C-Constantin Kitchen Specialist. We have done a new job for one of our returning customers. We have some bedside tables in style of cliff boards, wall paneling, a dressing table and a wardrobe unit. Everything is pushed to open from blank, so close. All the lights, they're actioned by LED with a converter. On the right section of the unit, we have two wide drawers for makeup and dressing setting, and also a push to open drawer for their stuff. That's for shoes, higher boots, and this is for the customer bags. She's got a lovely bags collection. The system is soft close from placard, 25 years warranty. On this section we have more hanging space. Again, two push to open drawers, two hanging rails for the shorter things on the bottom, and another hanging rail on the top. If we give you some ideas for your upcoming projects, please call CCKS. Thank you.